Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to work the standing double crochet stitch. So this is a sample that I had when I demonstrated how to work the standing single crochet and the standing half double crochet stitch. So a standing stitch allows you to join new yarn without having to join like this. It's chaining 3 and then working your double crochet. So because the chain stitches, they really do not match a double crochet. And the standing double crochet stitch will mimic the actual double crochet stitch. So start with your slip knot. So my first stitch is going to go right in there. This is my working yarn here. This is my tail. I'm going to place my finger on the loop here so that it doesn't get twisted and lost, it doesn't slip off. I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch that I want to work into, that I want to attach my yarn. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, you can keep your finger here, or you can place your other finger right on the tail to give it the extra tension you need so that it doesn't move. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so that is your double crochet stitch. You can see it looks a lot better than chaining 3. I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch that I want to work into. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And I'll chain 3 when I come back around so that you can see what that looks like. Okay, so let's see, chain 3, and now I'm going to work across. So here is my standing double crochet. I'm just going to work right into the top of that stitch. So if we take a look here, this was the standing double crochet stitch here. So you can see it looks just like the other double crochets. And if you look here, this is the chain 3. And obviously it just looks like 3 chains. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.